Hey friends, this is Atif Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Dogelon Mars. Recently, the price of Dogelon Mars has broken out this very significant resistance zone that starts from 2205 and goes to 2500. Before that, we broke out this down channel and the broadening rising wedge pattern as well. Let me just show you on the daily time frame chart. And this was the down channel that I've been showing you even before the breakout. And I was telling you that after the breakout, the target will be here at the top of the wedge at 4200. And over there, we had a quite long-term resistance. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this 4200, point double zero, double zero, and double zero, six times zeros, $4200 has been previously working as a very strong resistance here. Before that, for several weeks or month, it had been working as a resistance here as well. Therefore, again, it worked as a very strong resistance. And despite this long spike, the price line could not break it out. And now we are again about to hit this resistance of 4200. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you another very, very huge breakout that is happened on the same 7 days time frame chart from this big and long term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of December 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for FIDO, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade setup I shared on 28th of December 2024 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell targets on. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Doji on Mars. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, it was moving inside this down channel. And after the breakout, it was still moving inside in another broadening rising wedge pattern. You can see that it was nicely forming higher highs and higher lows. And after the breakout from this broadening rising wedge pattern for several days or weeks, it has been struggling to break out this long-term resistance on that starts from 2205 and goes to 2500. And now finally, we have broken out this resistance line. And now this resistance line is flipped into a support. If we zoom the chart more out, then you can see that after the breakout, the price and retested the previous resistance line as support line, and now it is geared up and confirmed this breakout. And if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart to what the previous history of this resistance line, then you can see that this resistance line is very significant because previously it had been breaking as a very strong support zone for several months. And after the breakdown for several weeks or months, it has been breaking other resistance here as well. Like we got rejection here, rejections here, and rejection here. And here we had a bounce when it was breaking a support zone. And after the breakdown, since after the month of April 2024, up till here, up till the mid of January 2024, it has been breaking as a very, very strong resistance zone. And now again, it is flipped into a support. Now, this resistance of 4200 is very significant because previously it has been working as a very strong resistance here and resistance here. And by the way, we have already hit the target for the breakout from this channel, but could not break out this resistance because this resistance was also target for the breakout from this channel. We had a very long spike this beyond this resistance zone. If I place this measurement tool from this though to the current high, then you can see that so far within the next few days it has pumped almost 508%. And now we need to break out 4200 and this resistance of 5520 as well. That has been previously working as a resistance here and support here. And now again, it is working as a resistance. Now, if we take a look at the final target, the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, that move is still due. That target can be here at the top of this wedge, approximately at point double zero double zero and zero five times zero $2276. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.